Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with East West Bank Review My Usage Experience. East West Bank Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for users to share their experiences with East West Bank services. Its main purpose is to provide a centralized space for reviews and feedback, targeting customers of the bank or those considering banking with them. Key features likely include user-submitted reviews, ratings, and potentially a system for filtering and sorting reviews. Their website provides details on how to submit a review and view existing ones. The benefit lies in providing a user-generated overview of customer satisfaction, aiding potential customers in making informed decisions. The site seems straightforward in its presentation of information, although I didn't find any particular claims about pricing transparency or contracts, as it's a review platform, not a service offering itself. The technology seems fairly standard, a simple website allowing users to post text and ratings. Availability is readily accessible, anyone can visit the website and view the reviews. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using East West Bank Review My Usage Experience. I decided to check it out because I was considering opening an account with East West Bank. Getting started was incredibly easy, the website was well organized and the process of finding the reviews section was intuitive. Navigating the interface was also a breeze. I used the filter options to focus on reviews mentioning specific services like online banking and customer service. The reviews themselves provided a diverse range of experiences, some positive, some negative, allowing me to get a balanced perspective. I was particularly impressed by how well the reviews were categorized. One review highlighted the bank's excellent mobile app, while another criticized their branch hours. I didn't have any direct interaction with their customer support regarding the review platform itself. A pro was definitely the breadth of reviews and the ease of finding what I was looking for. One minor drawback was the occasional presence of spam or obviously fake reviews, but they seem to be a small minority. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the East West Bank Review platform. It successfully provided me with valuable user insights that helped inform my decision-making regarding banking with them. That's my overview of East West Bank Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.